Hi there everyone. In this video, I will share with you the trade that I had taken recently. The stock name is BHARTI AIRTL. As you can see, the time frame is same as the 1 hour time frame. I had taken previously the trade on the 1 hour time frame only. You can check the previous videos if you want. So here, firstly, the thing which I do is firstly I draw a trend line. As you can see, this is the resistance level. Stock was not able to break this level. Here it gave a breakout and it gave a really good move. But the thing was, I took it somewhere around here. Like it had done all the retesting, and when it came at this point, I thought that it can again start going up. So that is the reason why I took this trade at this point. Now yesterday, or sorry, day before yesterday, the markets fell, as you can see. Like this is the day today. Here also it was good. Like on this day, on 29th August, the markets gave a really big down move. So I did not take trade on this day. On the next day, when the stock was near the trend line only, I took this trade at this point, and I had my stop loss below a trend line, or you can say below this candle. Like this is a kind of breakout candle. So I put my stop loss below this candle somewhere around here, as you can see. Now I could have taken a trade at this point also in the beginning also. That is also fine. But the thing was, I was not checking the stock at that time. I had it in my watch list. So I thought that whenever I reaches this point, which is near the trend line, I will take the trade. So I took it somewhere at this point, as you can see, and I put my stop loss below here, and the trade went really good. Like my risk reward ratio, I had chosen 1:3. Here it was 1:3.2. You can see. Previously, I used to take the trades on 1:2 risk reward ratio, but here I did it 1:3, as you can see. So the trade was really good. It was basically, it gave a breakout first, it gave a good move, then it came for retesting at this point, and then it again started going up. So I took this trade at this point. I had marked my stop loss below this candle, as you can see somewhere at this point, and then it gave a move. When I got my target hit, today I got it. So at here at this point I exited. So I hold this trade just for 1 day only, like you can see. I took this trade on 30th August, 31st was a holiday. So on the next day, 1 September, I hadn't targeted on the first candle itself. Like maybe I could have got some more also, but the thing was 1:3 is really good. Previously, I just had 1:2. If I just hit 1:2 only, then I think I would have got my profit somewhere at this point. Today only I could have got, but the thing was I shifted to 1:3, so I got a really good move. So from now on, I am trying to get my risk reward ratio at 1:3 only, because by this we can get some really good profits. And suppose you take 3 trades, out of those 3 trades, 2 went in losses. Even if you have one in profit, you can still get a break even. Maybe you would not get too much profit, but the thing is, you can get a kind of break even point. So 1:2 is also good. It just depends on your trading style, what suits for you. So for me, I have now shifted to 1:3 risk reward ratio. So I took this trade somewhere at this point, and I exited on this candle. So it all depends on you, how much you are willing to risk, and how on the basis of that, basically, it is a kind of trade setup. Like here, as you can see, I took this trade somewhere around here, and I knew that it can go up to this point. As you can see, it went up to here only, but I knew that it can actually give until this move. So I knew that I can get 1:3 really easily. Suppose it was just until this point only, it did not make this much highs, then maybe it would not have given me the 1:3. Maybe I would have just got 1:2 only. But the trade setup was really good, as you can see. Firstly, there was a resistance level here. It gave a breakout. It actually gave a really good move. I could have taken the trade at this point also, but I missed it. So when it gave a retesting, at that time I took the trade. So here also the trade was really good, and I got this whole move. Maybe I could have got some more also, but the thing was I am fine with 1:3 also. It is really good. From now only I have shifted actually to 1:3. Previously, as you can see the previous trades also, I was getting only 1:2 only. That is also good. But the thing was 1:3 is working now good for me because the trade setup is really good, and I can easily get 1:3 moves very easily. Like here, as you can see, I took this trade today, and like day before yesterday, I took it, and just in 1 day only, I got a 1:3. Sometimes I have to wait. Suppose I took it somewhere on this point. And maybe for 1:3, I would have waited until this point. So maybe it could have been almost, you can see, 3 to 4 days I would have to wait. Sometimes we have to wait for 3 to 4 days also. But here it gave the move on the next day itself. So it all depends. But the 1:3 risk reward ratio is working for me. So now I will be taking trades on this time frame. Like the time frame is same. The risk reward ratio is only changed. The trade setup is also the same, as you can see. It gave a resistance breakout and then I took the trade and I got the 1:3. I had my stop loss, you can see, below this breakout candle. This is the breakout candle, as we can say. And here at this point, I had my stop loss just below this candle. So it gave out good move. On the next day, I was able to book my profits. So this is the trade I took. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I hope you got an idea about how things work in the live markets. If you have any questions or you want to ask something, just let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching this.